Hey, it's Ian, and today I have the Super Squeegee Broom. Now this is going to replace your Swiffer, your sweeper, your broom, and your mop. But this can actually do so much more. Now this is going to work just like your normal broom, gathering dirt and debris on any hard surface. But what you're going to love is that this also works on carpet. The special bristles are gonna work their way into your carpet, dislodging and lifting all that dirt and grime. But it does so much more than that because it's gonna attract all that hard to reach pet hair. Plus, the bristles work great on all types of furniture, like couches and chairs. Now my favorite part is the squeegee. Just flip it over and you can tackle just about any wet mess. Anything from water to soda to pasta sauce. Now one thing I want to mention is that this isn't some flimsy squeegee. This is actually heavy duty. So I can even take this outside to my car and use it on my windshield. Now another great feature are these towel holders. Just clip your own towel in and you can use this as a mop. Best of all, you still get the power of the bristles working with the towel to scrub away those stubborn stains. And unlike a traditional mop, you can snap on a new towel and use it to dry your floors. You can even hook on Swiffer dry pads if you just want a quick touch-up. Now another great thing about this is the adjustable handle. I like to use this sometimes as a handheld broom, which makes cleaning my couch and using this with a dustpan so much easier. Now with all these awesome features I mentioned, you might think I'm done, but I saved the best for last, and that is our super low price. Even on sale, this can cost around $25, but you're not gonna pay anywhere near that. So head on over to the site to see your special deal today.